Today, we're gonna be replacing the uh, my Ram 2018 Ram 1500 rear brakes. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be using the same tool that I use to lose the nuts when removing the wheel. I'm gonna insert it right here, and I'm gonna push the lever this way. That way, I compress the piston. Now, when I remove it, once I remove it, I'm gonna be having more room for uh, for the new brakes. You see now it's loose. It's loose right here. Make some room. So now I'm gonna be removing this number 10 millimeter bolt and this one right here. I just broke the torque on them. So now pull them out. This is the bottom one. As you see, I had this one loose, and the top one already had it loose too. They're both the same length, so there'll be no problem. I have to mark them, and then pour the caliper out. And I like to secure it somewhere here, so that way it don't get hanging. There you go. So now you see the brakes right there. So we're gonna be replacing this liner, this one in the back, and we're gonna put this brand new. We have them right here. The way to get those liners out, you have to slide them. Slide them. Slide this one down here. That way. And those clips, just pull them like this. See the way it goes. Get a new one. Get the bottom one up. And get a new one on. Try to set them the most in the center you can. It's very important. You see this tap right here? It goes in line with the disc right here. See? It both goes in line. So now we're gonna put the brake pads on it. The easiest way to put them on, you're gonna slide them this way first, like this, and then once you have it right there, you turn it. You see how easy it goes with one hand. See, you just go this way first, and then tilt it this way. The same way in the back. If you go this way first and then tilt it, let's go very easy. Now we're gonna remove those pins. It goes right here, inside here. Clean them, put some lube on it. I personally don't like to sand them. I like to clean it best I can because they get corroded then later. But I like to clean it. I use a rack and then I put a lot of anti-seize on it, brake lubricant, because they need to be able, the caliper needs to be able to float here. If it doesn't float, it gets dry like this one, then your brakes, they're gonna warn uneven like this one. You see it's thinner right there and it's thicker right here. That's caused because those pins are loose. So the way I remove them, I just push it right here. See how it goes out, and then remove it up. And then to put it back the same way, you just put it this way. Put some loop inside here too, and then push it on. And then you see those groups right here. It's for this. The grooves goes right here and right here. I already looped them and installed them. You can tell, you see, they can move back and forward now. This is how it's supposed to be. If this pin is this, then you're gonna be having uneven wear in your brakes. So that's why you have to remove them and clean them very well, and then install them back with some loop on it. So before you put it on, you're gonna push this pin this way, and if you see this caliper has this cut right here, you have to put it this way first. You put it from the top first, like this. You see how it goes there, and then just push it in, and then you install the bolts in the back. This is the right side. In the left side, this part is facing down, so you have to put it first from the bottom, and then from the bottom first, and then push it up. So now we put the bolts on, and this side will be complete. I already got the bolts in, the one at the top and the one at the bottom. So now we're gonna tighten them, and they go torque, but they're not very tight. This is number 10 screw, so I don't think it will go so tight. It will not. Okay, this is good, and this is good. The other side is the exact same procedure. So also don't forget to get the parking brake off, which it really don't make not much difference. I think it's just parking brake goes inside here, but it's the same procedure for the brake replacement on the other side. So it's pretty self-explainable. So if you like this video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share it. Thank you very much.